What up YouTube, Max here, and today we're playing round 3 with this modern Hammer Time deck, and we're on the play game 1, and opponent's revealing a Kihira to start for the opener, and we're going to mulligan this hand, but keep this one. We'll put back this, I think we just put back the Kaldra. So, yeah, start with the Thopter, and I guess the Sentinel is fine. This Hammer Time deck's been really good to me in this league so far, so if you haven't checked out the other 2 videos, please check those out. We'll see what our opponent's playing. They're probably just playing elementals, or they could also be playing a control deck. Maybe they're even playing Cat Tribal. That'd be sweet. I hope my opponent's playing Cat Tribal. I'd be down for that. But yeah, we'll see what our opponent can offer up. Game 1, turn 1. Okay, Windswept Heath. We're cracking that. Breeding pool it is. So, probably not Utopia Sprawl. Okay, well, we're going to gain a life. Or, we're going to draw a card out that. You got it. What are you naming? Red? Okay, that's interesting. This could definitely be a elemental deck. That's interesting too. So we're gonna go Inkmoth Nexus. I wonder if we should play the hammer. I guess we just attack for 1 to start. Probably want to hold on to the hammer, actually. I'm gonna play this Giver. Just pass. Alright, so nice start for us. If we have a Sigarda's Aid, that'd be great. Elementals? Yeah, okay. Opponent's playing Elementals. So not playing the Yorin version, which is kind of interesting, but here's a Risen Reef. I wonder why my opponent's not playing the Yorin version. I wonder what benefit that gives them. Ooh, that Fury is rough. It's gonna get rid of probably at least give her ruins. Maybe give her ruins in the Esper Sentinel. That's yeah. Yeah, I'd rather you not, but that's definitely rough. Alright. So opponent has 5 cards in hand. Esper Sentinel number 2. I guess we just play the Sentinel. Pass. I don't feel like there's a reason to expose my Esper Sentinel. I mean, my Colossus Hammer to a potential like prismatic ending or something. I don't think that really benefits us at all. To play the hammer here, so I'm just not going to play it yet. Here comes Omnath, I believe. Yeah, Locus of Creation. He's the one. They played a land this turn though, so they can't gain the life yet. But they can still gain the life off that. Yuck. Alright, well. Stoneforge, you're a little late, aren't you, bud? This one's not going as planned, guys. I guess what we do here is... Actually, give me a second to consult the deck list, if you will. Enchantment. Yeah, so obviously Sigarda's Aid is an enchantment. I was trying to determine if I could somehow get like Stoneforge could grab Sigarda's Aid, but I can't. I don't see a path to win this game, unfortunately. We're gonna play the hammer plus Sigarda's Aid, and I don't know if that's right. I'd plus the Sentinel. Just pass. I'm not sure if that's the right play at all. I'm not sure. I don't think I really have a good play here. we're a little land light, and opponents starting to go off with Omnath, so we're just in a lot of trouble. But you know, Inkmoth Nexus with its infectability might be the only out we have at this point. And if I can get like a Puresteel Paladin maybe plus Inkmoth to activate Inkmoth, that could be a way for us to win the game at some point. And we could be drawing cards off Esper Sentinels here. So we'll see. We're definitely behind this game, but I don't think it's over yet. Opponent getting more triggers out there, Omnath. Just yield through this turn. There's nothing we can do here. Another Fury would be really good for them if they have it. I think another Fury might just finish this game off. Okay, they bought Yorion or Kihira and then play Kihira. Interesting. I'm gonna just take 7. Alright. Something good, please. Springleaf Drum, you're not gonna do it, bud. Well, still gonna play it though. Guess we tap like this. Stoneforge. Search up. Yeah, like we could search up Hammer, but it doesn't do much. I guess we search up Kaldra. Just try to hold on for another turn until we can like use Kaldra to. Yeah, this is just a rough spot for us. But maybe if we can put a Kaldra into play and I don't know. Endurance, sure. Sure, opponent. That's really good. Alright, so yeah, we're definitely behind as I'm mentioning, but like Inkmoth Nexus represents potentially a way to get back into this game if we can just hit them with, although that is reach. Their endurance is kind of mucks up those plans and it has vigilance too, so it looks like this one's about over. We'll be going to game 2 soon enough here. Because even if we put Kaldra into play, I don't think it really does enough. Opponent getting mana. Alright, if this is like a Fury or something, we're gonna just okay. Trying to get rid of the prismatic ending, or they're gonna use their mana to make sure that I don't draw cards off the Esper Sentinel, and they get rid of Stoneforge. So that cuts off that line of play. I just need to see one draw step to know that I'm absolutely dead, and then we'll concede. Yeah. Yeah. Well, actually, I think we're just dead here, honestly. I don't think there's anything we can do to beat this, unfortunately. But we'll see. Yeah, we're done. You got game 1. All right. Paths seem good. Hushbringers seem maybe good. Mana leaks seem fine. Spell Pierce doesn't seem its best in this matchup. Blacksmith's skill can be fine, but I think it's a little slow, maybe. I like paths and mana leaks over those. I think that's kind of like, let's try this. First match playing, first league rather, playing with this Hammer Time deck, so I'm probably making mistakes, and sideboarding especially is not easy with this deck. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Let me know if there's anything you see that I could, you know, other plays I can make or sideboarding options that you think would have been better than what I'm doing. Alright, so we're on the play. Game 2. Down a game. Round 3. Well, this hand's not going to be good enough. I don't know what hand will be good enough. This hand lets us do some stuff. Now, there's something that's said about starting with the Springleaf Drum over the Giver runes because in case they have like a Fury, but I think they want to spend their turn pitching 2 cards to kill this. Like if they want to spend 2 cards killing this on turn 1, I think we're okay with that. That's just my guess though. Guess we don't really need a... Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out what we want to grab with Stoneforge. We already have the Kaldra. I guess we just grab another hammer. I like Shadowspear though. Reality Chip's not a bad one. I'm gonna grab a Reality Chip. Let's pass. I'm not sure if that's right to grab the Reality Chip there, but we'll see. Much better start for us in game 2. Another hammer. Jeez. I wonder how my opponent's going to deal with a Kaldra. Let's find out. Let's find out how they deal with it. The answer might be they just don't, honestly. We're gonna grab a Hallowed Fountain shock for a Springleaf Drum here. Pass. Yeah, I mean, Prismatic Ending seems like the best way my opponent has to deal with the Kaldra, but, you know, Giver of Runes messes that up a lot. Giver of Runes pretty much shuts that plan down, I think. Okay, just tap stomping around, that's fine. Searching with their Windswept Heath for basic planes. What could this be? Engineer explosives on 1. Okay, so that's going to get rid of like our Springleaf Drum and our Giver if they use it. Okay. That's rude, but fair. Okay. I guess we just attack here. Right? Start with attacking. I think Stoneforge can come in too. Put him at 6. And then play Puresteel. And kind of want to play the chip here. Draw a card off that. So we have 3 hammers in hand. Oops, we should have equipped. That was a mistake. Well, was it though? Yeah, I think we could equip the reality chip onto like something and then okay, that's fine. Opponent's still very much behind, and we have 3 hammers in hand, which they don't know about, so they might guess that we have at least 1, but actually, do they know about any of them? No, we grabbed the reality chip, so they might guess we have 1, but 3 in hand is 3 is a lot. So now they can prismatic ending, but then we'll still have, yeah, I think we're good because we'll still have we can still present 3 artifacts that all get equipped 0 thanks to Puresteel. So I think we're going to win this one and go to game 3. But I mean, it depends. Like, opponent could still, I'm not sure what they could have actually get out of this. We'll see what they do have. No, they were tapping some mana and then they untapped it. Okay, this is going to be, okay, so they're going to destroy probably our Kaldra. Maybe they may be looking to evoke. Okay, so they're interesting. They're destroying the chip. And then this might be a. Oh, okay. I thought they were gonna like ephemerate with the evoke trigger on the stack to kill something else. Still have him dead. We still have him. We still have lethal on board, right? Like. Okay. Interesting. Hammer. Play the Thopter. Equip onto Puresteel. Is there a reason to... I think we're good here. I don't know if there's a reason to play another hammer and equip onto like Stoneforge. Okay, they're going to concede. Game 3 we go. I still kind of like this setup. Although Esper... what was the card? Esper Sentinel might seem a little bad in this matchup. It's kind of Esper Sentinel for like a mana leak. And then cut another one for Meddling Mage named Omnath. Let's try it. I'm not sure if that's the right play, but we're gonna. That could be good. Meddling Mage named Omnath. Could mess up their plans a little bit, maybe. Speaking of messing up, this hand is not great at all. Like, this hand is a mulligan for sure. I think this deck mulligans pretty well, and so we're happy throwing this one back. Yeah, this one seems better. Not by a whole lot, but it does seem better. We're gonna ditch a Thopter here. Opponent with turn 1 Utopia spell naming white. That's fine. We get to go Urza Saga, Ornithopter, Springleaf Drum with path backup. Seems good. Alright, so opponent is gonna... We'll see what they're gonna do on their turn 2 play. I'm not sure actually. Cavern of Souls is gonna name Elemental, I presume. It will. Three mana. Foundation Breaker. They're just gonna go after our Urza Saga. Yeah. That's not very kind. But, oh. Wait, what? Hold on. Evoke plus Ephemerate. Oh boy, that sets us back a while, doesn't it? They're gonna Ephemerate in response to the trigger too. Alright, so we just got... Yeah, we're in some trouble. We might even have to pass. That's quite the start from the opponent. I'm wondering if we should path our own Ornithopter to accelerate a mana. Doesn't seem great though. We're gonna just go for a reality chip here. Pass. So they get to Ephemerate, rebound Ephemerate to blow up our Ornithopter now. That was a heck of a turn from the opponent there. Nice turn two from them for sure. Blow up a 2 other things, and then on their turn 3, blow up a 3rd. Yeah, now we're in some trouble. Risen Wreath is going to come down. No land. So maybe they're light on land? That might be our... Nope, they're not. Okay. We're going to search for a Hallowed Fountain. We got this reality chip. Mana Leak's on top. But yeah, we're just so far behind this game. That was quite brutal. And it's an elemental too. That's so good. This card's great. Foundation Breaker's so good in their deck. Please play Omnath and pass. Solitude. Just hardcast Solitude. Okay. Well, I don't think we're winning this game, guys. Or a match, for that matter. So, 14 we fall. We know we're drawing a Mana Leak. And, yeah, this one's probably going to be over. But we'll play it out a little bit. Mana Leak doesn't do much against their Cavernous Souls either. I just realized that. It's probably not the best card to bring in this matchup. Alright, we're taking 6. I agree. Alright, well, we're dead. So I'll see you guys in round number 4. Thanks for watching.